kids! Today let's learn to draw a cute little owl. Let's start by drawing the owl's eyes. Draw two big circles like this. Two more circles inside. Okay, now draw a triangle shape for its beak. Now you need to draw a semicircle from here to here. And another one. Okay. Now draw two little shapes like triangles here. Now you need to draw a circular shape for its body. Now its wings. Drawing a branch like this. Its little feet. And the owl's tail. So there you go. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.